The 1200-meter race is on its way. Juicy moving up around the outside is straight path to take the lead. Cookie, my baby, is racing in third, then followed by Eccles Cake or Eckley Cake, any way you like it. Your choice is as good as mine. Then followed by Doña Nicasia down on the inside Conqueror as they pass the half-mile pole with Cookie, my baby, moving up once again on the outside, is straight path almost as one as they rounded the last 600. Cookie, my baby, leading the field, running alongside his straight path, then trying to get closer now in third. Is entry number 2, and that's Battle Hill as they race for home. With two runners keep on parting out for the lead. Cookie, my baby, is straight path. Eccles Cake from the outside, then moving up. Key Lever, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Cookie, my baby, by about a length and a half. Key Lever in between runners Pintados, and finally at the finish line it's going to be close between Cookie, my baby, and Key Lever Pintados. Then comes Eccles Cake, 9 Grando.